Number two is filters. And filters can be done or used for an artistic effect, or they can be used as a utility. So if I go under my filter menu, I have a filter, for example, called oil paint. And when I bring up oil paint, it will give you sliders over here on the right, so you can adjust how the paint looks. And what this is doing or simulating is what my image would look like if it were hand painted. And that's for effect. Now, if I click OK, that will do that effect on the actual image, on the background. And if I save and close, I have now permanently changed this photo. So we're going to see ways to not permanently change your photo, but for now I'm just going to undo. The other filter that I'm actually going to use is called Liquify. Now Liquify is for pushing pixels around in your image. So for example, I don't like that little dip in her hair. It's natural, it's where the hair is parted, but I'm just going to push it up a little bit so that it's a little bit smoother going around there. And again, you will make your brush size as big as you need it to be or as small as you need it to be for the thing you're trying to push or pull. So again, we can just pull this out and push in where we need to, pull out where we don't want to push in, and you can kind of round things out, smooth things out, move things around. You can go crazy with it and do things like that, but please don't. You will do unless you're trying to make some kind of weird alien effect. But that's what it's for. It's literally for pushing pixels around. Now there are other tools here, brush size, stylus pressure, all of these things can be applied, especially if you're working with a tablet. But that's kind of the effect that we're looking for. So we'll click OK, and that will basically take it from that, which is undo, to that, which just kind of pushes it out a little bit. Now I went a little crazy over here on the right-hand side. And so if I undo it, it's going to undo everything, but I'm going to introduce you to your history brush. What the history brush will allow me to do is paint in undos. So I can paint back the hair before I did it in this one spot where I didn't like the way it worked. Or if I undo that and I just want to undo this one little glitch here, I can do that. So history brush is like your undo on a brush.